Hi guys, I've just checked in my hotel here in Siliguri and this is the view. So let me give you a quick room tour. So this is the entrance, and as soon as we enter inside the room, there's a drawer, and when you close it the light goes out, and when you open the light turns on. Coffee, milk, sugar, and a fridge. The fridge is empty, and we have a big king size bed and beautiful lights, a chair, study table, and a sitting area. If we order something, we can sit here and enjoy. And let me draw the curtain open. And we have a beautiful sitting place here. We can open the curtain, I guess. And see the beautiful view. This is Hotel Barsana in Siliguri. It's really beautiful. I really like the room, and I hope you guys also liked the room. And we have the washroom here, very clean, a bathtub here, and a dry shower place here. We have shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, everything. It's time to relax.